literally scared the living crap out of me. I thought someone was in the room. What is up, peaches? I am back today with another video, and for today's video I am reviewing and unboxing everything that I got from Aerie's clearance sale / American Eagle, because I got some things from there too. So this is going to be like my first reaction to seeing the clothes that I got, because I got this quite a bit ago and I'm really excited to see what I got because I don't remember everything. So let's just jump right into it. So we have this big package. And let's see what this is. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like, and I think this is a cardigan. I could be wrong, not too sure. It's very big and like fluffy, so that's nice. And like little, I don't know what you call those things. It's like the little packets. They drive me up a wall. I have to unpack a ton of things at my boutique job and I hate those things. Okay, so this is definitely a cardigan, and it's a very thick, chunky cardigan, which I'm really excited about because I don't actually remember getting this, but it looks like it has like the nice little, like, I call this like a balloon sleeve. I don't know if you actually call it that. And then it looks like it has a like collar and these nice, beautiful buttons. Hopefully my camera will focus so you see that. I don't know, but let's try it on. Let's see what it looks like. This is a size small for reference, and I wish I knew what the prices were. I don't remember like what my receipt was, but it was definitely like 60% off, like clearance. So this is exciting. This probably isn't like the best shirt to try this on with because I'm wearing like a nice charisma sweater. So let's back up and let's review. Okay, so it's big and long, which I like. I like the button detail. I do wish that there was a few more buttons on the bottom of this because I feel like it's just weird that they stopped right here. And there's like this pocket thing here, which I'm really confused about because I have no idea what this is. Oh, okay. I thought the pocket was like this, but it's actually like this. So it's nice that it has pockets. The collar is a cute little touch. It's very thick, it's very warm, it's a beautiful color. So yeah, I think
I found this on the web. For it's very big, it's very warm, it's a beautiful color. Check it out.
oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys just heard that, but my Siri has been doing this thing on my Mac computer where it's like listening to me, and it just talked, and that was so scary. It literally scared the living crap out of me. I thought someone was in the room. Oh my god. It's like terrifying. I am terrified. That has been happening so much lately. What is up with me filming videos and then things keep happening? That's so crazy. But anyways, back to the review. I like the cardigan. I just wish that there was more buttons on the side here. But other than that, I would say I would give this like an 8 out of 10. So let's move on to the next item. Oh my god, I am still very freaked out about Siri. Ah, that's scary. Okay, so then we have this other big package. I don't know why. This was like all the same order, but they shipped it in different packages, I guess. Okay, so the first item is this, looks like workout top. And I do remember getting this because it was called like, the color was called peach. And I thought that was very fitting for me, obviously. So this is, yes, a little top, and it has a built-in bra in it, and it's just this beautiful peach color, and it's kind of like a marble-esque, maybe. Yeah, I would say it's more like marble. I wish my camera was picking this up, but it's definitely not picking it up. But it is very beautiful, and I'm going to try this on and see what this looks like. So the next item is, ooh, I remember this. This is a bag, like a little tote bag. OMG, this is really exciting. I really loved the color of this, and I just need more totes because I walk around so much in Boston. Okay, So this is what it looks like. This is adorable. This is literally adorable. I love this like pocket here, and it's like all nice and furry. And then on the inside, there is these inside pocket, which is really nice. It's a pretty decent medium-sized bag. I like how the straps are corduroy, and I love how this is very like fluffy. I don't know what you'd call this material, but it's very plush and it's great and it's so cute. So this is definitely going to be like my new carry around bag in Boston. That's not my tote bag. There you go. Oh my gosh, I am stumbling on my words today. This has happened to me all day. Okay, so let's see what's next in here. Ooh, okay, so this is a hat that I got and I thought it would look really cute with the bag actually. So let's unbox this. So the hat says spread kindness, and it has like a little smiley face with spread kindness on the top and the bottom, and it's like that corduroy material. Hats aren't usually like my cup of tea, but I thought this one was cute. The reason I don't like hats is because I always feel like it's showing my ears, but I would say this is pretty cute. I'm liking this, and I think with like the tote bag, this is a cute little vibe, like a cute little workout girl or just everyday girl. But yeah, this is adorable. So 10 out of 10 on this and 10 out of 10 on the bag. I don't know if I said that. All right, next. Okay, so obviously I got underwear because it's Aerie, so I'm not gonna show you what underwear I got because that's like weird. But yes, they were having a good deal. I think it was like $8 for 20, no wait, whoa, not $8. $22 for 8 pairs of underwear. Oh my gosh, I'm really stumbling on my words, and I apologize for that. I think Siri just messed me up. Like, I am still very much recovering from that. Okay, so next in this package was a pair of tights, and this was definitely out of my comfort zone. I've never owned a pair of white tights because I feel like I would dirty them up. So I think the reason why I got this is because like it was like $7 and the reviews weren't too bad on it. So wow, this is like a very like thick, stretchy spandex material. It looks a little thin, but it has like this mesh detailing on the side, I guess to make it more breathable. But we're definitely gonna have to try these on. I got the size medium because I've been kind of growing out of my tights because I was typically getting a small, but now that I'm getting a little bit bigger, I'm having to upsize to a medium. That also looks like it has the pocket, the mesh pocket to put your phone, so that's a plus too. But I'm definitely gonna have to try these on and see if they're squat proof, which is perfect because I think I'm wearing red underwear today. So we'll see if you can see it. Okay, brief intermission as I was trying things on. I tried to put these on, and these are called the Offline Goals 7 to 8 leggings. These are high-rise, long, and a size medium. And like I was saying, I was sizing up because I felt like I was gaining a little bit of weight. But these are so like compression that I couldn't even get this past my thighs. Like I can't even put this on. So I will be returning these. So these are a 0 out of 10 from me, but maybe for the right person that's a little bit skinnier, these would be the perfect leggings for you. But for me, it just didn't work out. So I thought I'd let you guys know that I will be returning these. All right, next in this bag is another pair of tights, I believe. Yes, these ones are black, but I think the material isn't like the regular kind of like spandexy material. Yeah, okay, so it's definitely not. So it's more of like a thermal material. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. And I remember that the waistband has the little crisscross over, which is really flattering. But this one doesn't have pockets, so that one's kind of a bummer, but definitely have to try these on as well and see how they fit. But these are the high-rise long, and I got the size medium once again. Okay, so my next package, they didn't even wrap it, but this is a gray bodysuit. I don't know what size I got in this. I got the size medium This looks a little big, but maybe when I try it on, it will look a little bit better. But it is a bodysuit. The bodysuit has like the thong back, so that's nice because I don't really like the look of like panty lines. But yeah, we'll just have to see how that works. Okay, so I see that this is supposed to be like slimming, but it's definitely not doing what it's supposed to be doing. I will most likely return this because I'm just not a fan. Okay, so then for my next package, let's see what I got. They also didn't wrap this, so that's kind of a bummer. So definitely not a 10 out of 10 on packaging on that. Okay, so this is a sweater vest. This is cute. I probably got this for my internship. The only thing I would say is like it's very much like distressed on this side, and I don't really know if I'm gonna like that. Because I kind of want, like, if I'm gonna get a sweater vest, I think I would want something more like clean cut, but I guess it's because of the material. It is really soft, it's pretty color, but again, we're gonna have to see what this looks like on. So yeah. Okay, so here's the sweater vest, and it has this cute little detailing, and this is what the back looks like, and then you can see the material. Very cute. Yes. All right, and then for my last package, let's see what I got in my last one. Okay, they packaged this one, so that's a good sign. Ooh, I really love the material of this. This is so soft. Okay, so this is a turtleneck sweater, which I'm not one with the turtlenecks, but I guess I decided to try it, but I'm obsessed with this material. This is so soft. It's a beautiful gray color, and it looks like the turtleneck isn't going to be constricting. I can't wait to try this on, but this does look a little bit cropped, but I mean, I don't mind that because I'm always in high-waisted jeans. Okay, so here is the turtleneck. I just think this material is so beautiful, and I love that I'm wearing high-waisted jeans and it's a little bit cropped. So yeah, I think this is definitely a 10 out of 10. This is so adorable. So yeah, that is everything that I got from Aerie. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did enjoy today's video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great day.